Sweet pass. Berrata bombs and partners of Raylan. Rebound with the number 3. Pass number 27, Mr. Gomez. Pass. Arabana ulit. Laser in. Kinaliwa pa. 30-90. Change by Berredi. Berrata. Pass to Mr. Duenas. Iwan naman ang depensa. Juan intercepted. Mr. Lopez ngayon na may kanan. 3-on-2 situation. Bounce pass. Rising. There is a whistle. Change 5 naman. Okay, change 5. Tira ka ng dalawa. Kahit hindi pumasok, change 5 yan.
Run! Run!
First race lead. Second try na si. Sige ba? Sige, sige. Walang jumper. Walang jumper. Second race lead. Okay, block ball na. Block ball. 39.
Okay.
39 hindi ang block. Pass. 13-10 down to 3 points. Jersey number 28. Pass to Orbe. Press from the bench. No good. Rebound. Jersey number 7. Jeremy. Timison Morta. Bounce pass. Ganda pasa. Ganda dia. Pass again. Jersey number 24. Pass to number 28. Screen. Drive. Pass. Pineda. Orbe on the left wing. Looking for Stamey. Sweet pass on the middle. 10-second shot clock. Pass. Bomb. Fires. To the back. Rebound. Jersey number 7 is the Mondo securing the ball. Pass number 17. More no longer. 3-point no good. Out of bounds. And it's a block ball. Ayos yan. Pass to Pineda. Pineda kakawin. Number 28, Nitis Darte. Crossover move. Drive. Nakawala. Teardrop shot. Wala rebound. Number 58, Piano. A bullet pass. They intercept Pineda. Here comes number 11. On the left corner. Looking for the receiver. Ready on the shot clock. Sweet pass. Orbe. Palm. Side step. And that's the reason of Gamit Glamour version number 54. First personal. 17 mil. Kick down. 12-second shot clock. Sweet pass. Bomb. And it's a driver lane. Dribble muna. Number 7, Bordo. Bordo pa rin. Sweet pass. Number 10, Flores. Pasok kami ng Lupiano. Kick out na. Iwanan. Pero wala. Offensive rebound. Is a timeout. 30-12. Baba sa isa.
Sabon. CJ Perez. Ay, ito. Ay, ito. Kalumpa na yun.
Okay, back to the lobby. Number 2-8 pass on the middle, that pass. Number 10, pass number 7, Mr. Borto. 3-on-4 situation, extra pass to number 10, and big roll is good. 16-13, 3-point, Mr. Borto, Quintalan. Double team, pass number 28, Quintana, pass number 24, Hesse. Drive, cross, kick out, nice defense by Mr. Borto. Number 17, siya mula nagtatawin, yung madali nakakita ng butas. Bringing pass number 10, extra pass to the piano. There's a whistle. And a contact on jersey number 11, first personal foul, 17 mil. First try wala, ready jumper. So try. It's good. 17-13, 4-point lead. Here's number 15. It's in the play. On this possession, sweet pass, Mercado, pasa, hindi ba tinira? Here's number 10. Mr. Flores na naman, nakapagin na depensa, drop pass, 4 shot. Number 15. Pero naman na importa, nasa play, at may tulak tayo. Coming from jersey number 28, first personal foul, 13 foul na yun. 13 foul coming from the team of Orchids. Number 7, Bondo, pass to Piano, Morta, pump, floater shot, wala, offensive rebound, ganda pasa, Riverfield. Yes, again, it's to me. Number 28, pinasukan ng apat, nasa play. That jersey number 17, Mr. Morta. Yes, and there's a traveling violation. 1 minute 40. Ganda ng mechanics. Okay, nakasama na number 15. Pick up the ball. Nakawala. Yun lang, nabitawan na bola. Flores na naman. Lumipat. Good play. 1 minute 20. Here's number 4, Orbe. Number 15, nakasama na on the right corner. Looking for Stevie, Mr. Orbe. Aatake, sidestep, teardrop pass. But there's a whistle. Number 14, first personal foul. 13th foul, both teams. Ready, jumpers? So, rise good. 1 minute and 9 seconds. Pabang sa kanin. Kalawangan na. Number 7, Bondo. Exactly 1 minute. Flores. Pull up. Nice pass to Bondo. Patakas. Miguel. Pineda. 49 seconds, game clock, Pineda may tangan, screen. 60 na shot clock, Orbe, speed, pass, Laksamana, drop pass, Alinero. Shot clock 10 seconds, pass, Sestinino, now it's a white ball. 36 seconds, game clock. Yes, number 7, Bono. 33 seconds. Sweet pass. Mr. Morta. Pump and parse and break. Good. Rebound. Morta. 7 attempt. Bondo. Drop pass on the big one. Pump. Exactly. 7 fouls in 19 seconds. Wait for the buzzer. 15 seconds on the game clock. 10 seconds, game clock. Orbit. 7 seconds, wait for the buzzer. 5 seconds. Orbit now. Keep now. Pump filter shot. It's good. Pass number 28, bottom down. Big pass on the right wing. Pass intercepted, number 17, Gatos. Pass number 10, nabitawan ang bola po yan. Para sa team, yan kasi masyado malakas.
Bilang game na rin itong...
Three pass to Mr. Gatos, number 17, back to Mr. Alonso, playing goal.
Palanday na butong. Kaya pala makakayo.
Was right. Wala, rebound. Mr. Harabata may tangan, 21-19, dalawa na lang. Ang kalamangan, Harabata, sweet pass on the right wing. Cross pass on number. Kusap ang one right away. Offensive rebound, Fox, Pino. Pinagdating, kasabay, mga Biglen. $23-19 dapat. Mr. Malonzo, 15 on the shot clock. Sweet pass to number 7. Full fake, launches sa Bray. Backward Bray! 23-22, isa na lang. Nakakatamaan na rin yung Harabata. Magbababa ng bola. At may tangan ngayon. Pass number 27, Lopez. Pump, spin, and there's that robbery violation. Mr. Malonzo. Pass to number 7. Sweet pass to number 10. Drive, no, the pass, Mr. Dorn! Yes, wala! We got number 29. Downs pass, number 27. Pass sa gitna, lazy red. Wala window. Dapat jersey number 7. Is that Miranda may tangan. Pass to Mr. Malonzo. 16 on the shot clock. Pass to number 17. Got loose. 12 seconds to shoot, Malonzo. 10 on the shot clock. SC. 8 second shot clock. Fade. Drive. Bomb speed. Dream shake. Fading away. Top shot. No good. Rebound. And it's a block ball. Inbound. Bounce pass. Teardrop shot. Wala. Duenas na over. Wala ka rin. Rebound. Pass number 27. President Flores nakakatake na naman. Torres kick out. Pasa. Fade. Pump. Number 29. Offensive foul. Number 29. 7 personal value. 17 foul. Dalawa ka na. Ugly pass to Mr. Malonzo. Jersey number 2. Malonzo dribbling the ball. 15 on the shot clock. Bounce pass. 12 second shot clock. 10 second shot clock. Malonzo, 8 seconds. Fade and pass. 5 second shot clock. Kick out. Teardrop. Good for 2. Change people. 24-23. 1 point lead. Number 29, Bagarigan.
Ito yung laban na niya, boss.
Bagarigan sa lane. Pass on the right wing. Number 26, long break. Good break! Means we were down 26-24. Warning number 1, number 6, Lord Santiago. That's number 2, Malonzo. Pass to number 7, Miranda. 16 on the shot clock. No look pass. Laxina is it in. Okay, nicely done by Sametan. Here comes number 1. Pass sa kalaban, number 7, Miranda Mitay. Rogers at 50. Derecho from the middle. Balik ni Mr. Lopez. Pass to Mr. Harabata. Drive na Mitay. A good one too. That is a 2 points. From Harabata. 5 minutes and 40 pass to Mr. Malonzo. Welcoming number 27. Malonzo para naman tayo. Pass number 17. 15 on the shot clock. Bounce to Mr. Buenas. 12 second shot clock. 10 second shot clock. Gatos. Drive. Kick out. Nabitawan. Lopez. Baser. Harabata. Intercepted by number 7. Good pass. Twist to me. Nezeo. Bagarigan wide open. Easy basket. 30-24 on him. 5 minutes and 10. Change back to ready. Number 7, Miranda. Pasa ulit kay number 10, Mr. Laxina. 16 second shot clock. 14 second shot clock. Pass to Gatos. Launches a three. No good. Put back is good.
Jerome ngayon eh. Ay, Jerome yung baila.
Okay, pass number 7, Bondo. Pass Bondo. Bondo. To Loris number 10. Bondo number 7. Long 2. Awa. Wala. A pass and rebound is good. Pass good number 15. Stop at Parson Green. Go good. Lubiano on the rebound. Don. Pass to number 10. Pass to Bondo. Back to number 10, Loris. 15 seconds. Team Dasta, nawa kayo. Black ball. Okay, the nuevo. The nuevo pass. Orbel launches. No good. Number 10, Laksina. Power boy. Lapit na. Power ball. Gets it with that. Napakasipag. Pass number 17, Morda. Kick out. Long break. No good. And rebound. Jack. Pull and pass. Sakto-sakto. Tanuwi ako. Is it in? No good. Pass jersey number 17, Porta. Bondo. Perimeter. In and out. In and one of it. Flores. And stop. Rock ball now. Rock ball. Sino?
Ay, siya lang.
Laksina? Sino? Miranda, palitan niyo yung players niyo. Change part na. Sinang sinata yung pinapalitan? Okay, ilan na kayo? 10? Okay, number 1 sa mo. Pass, number 4, Corbin. To number 7, Miranda. Pass to number 1, Carleco. Nice strike. Is it? Punta tayo na po. Monta. Pass sa kanya number 24. Sweet pass number 7. Is that Monta? Is it? 34-28. Pass in field number 7, Miranda. Pass number 4, Orbe. Drawing. Against the result, jersey number 1, 7. First personal foul. 13 foul. Pass doon po ako. Orbe sa gitna, nakapwesto. Pump, double team, pump, sweet, pass. Pass ulit. 10 on the shot clock. Miranda, kick out to tatlo ako. 7 on the shot clock. Drive, side step. And there's a whistle down. Whistle down, jersey number 17. Dalawa ka na. And a warning for Dolly. Okay, number 15 to Mr. Tanuevo. Sweet pass. Miranda long break. No good. And it's a white ball. In goes again. Pass number 7, Bondo. Bondo pass. Intercepted. Bounce pass to Marissa Wilson. And jersey number 7, Mr. Bondo. Sportsmanlike down. Jersey number 7. Well, the first personal foul, penalty na rin yan, parehas na. Dalawa, tapos ang basketball possession. Sa kabila. Apat na. Pag-inbound. Sige. Pag-inbound. Sound right. Tayo on. Okay, back to the movie. Lamang pa rin ng Infosys 5. Down. Miranda. Pass to number 1, Tanuero Mintangan. Sweet pass to Miranda. Drive. Is it in? Wala. Rebound. Rebound is at Laksina. Taas ang player. Drive up and under. Malakas. Rebound is at Mondo Mintangan. Sweet pass to Mr. Mondo Mintangan. Jersey number. Kage. With her boss. Bounce pass to Mr. Mondo. Paborito is there. 36-29, 1 minute and 30. Miranda. Sweet pass to Tanuevo. To Mr. Orbe. 12-second shot clock. Sweet pass. Launches a burn away. Rebound mo na naman ang fast break play. Mr. Bondok sidestep pass to number 10. Malakas. Aliw pang inigit. Indian number 7. Pass number 1. Tanuevo. Mr. Orbe sa kanan. Drive, teardrop shot, no good. Rebound, Laksina, taas sa player. Basket down, at may kasama down. Diba? There's your 54, 7 personal foul.
Rep. Ay, nga turun. Magaling namin lang.
Okay,
Pang
boys,
balik
right?
yun.
Basket. 36-32, babasa nga pa. Exactly 1 minute. Here's the number 9, Mr. Flores. Sweet pass. Bondok, Morta sa kanan. Bondok sa taas. Flores sa kaliwa. Bounce pass. Nakapasok. Extra pass. Floater shot. Malakas lang. And the rebound. Coming from Mr. Laksina. Pass number 7. 40 seconds on the game clock. Verona. Nicely. Rebound. Simple. 17 on the shot clock. Pass to number 1, Tanuevo. Pass in the middle. Orte, launches a very good. Offensive rebound, Laksina na naman. And there's a whistle, penalty yan. Foul version 54, third personal foul penalty. Tatlo na. Ready jumpers. Siyempre, wala pa rin. Here's number 10 on the rebound. 24 seconds lead for the buzzer. Number 7, Morto. Santa Jose. Here's number 10. Sweet pass. Mr. Morta. Inisyan mo lang. Morta on the middle. Lapiano sa kaliwa. Morta wide open. Pick and pass. Perimeter long 2. Awa. Wala. Rebound. Bitawan. And it's a one. Dark ball brother. 8.2 seconds. Pass number 1. Lead for the buzzer. 5 seconds. Fake. Launches. No good. Orbit. Okay, tignan lang tayo mga ball kicks hanggang fourth quarter. Okay, Pineda. Christian Mercado. Pass to Pineda. Give the ball. That's Sina. Pull up Jay. Go again. Rebound. Number 27. 14 seconds, number 10. Pass. Middle. 10 on the shot clock. Kick out. Pay. 8-second shot clock. Trooper muna tayo ng number 10. Baseball pass. Sakto. Nabitawan na. Yes, Suarabana. With the ball. Pass on the left wing. Sweet pass, number 28. Balik ni number 27. 10-second shot clock. 3-point team. Ganda depensa ng Sina. Baseball pass. Harabata intercept. Balik sa team. Long. Fourth bench. Naisirap mo lang. Power rebound. Number 27. Nagbama na niliwan ng dalawang depensa. Diretso sa gitna. Sweet pass. Ball. Quick. Perimeter. No good. Harabata hook shot. Rebound, jersey number 10. Yes, na si Esteban. Esteban pa rin. Behind back. Drive. Laser in. Wala. Okay, defensive rebound. Arabata na ito sa isa. Number 10, the slasher. Flores. Good for 2. 38-32. Kilit sa ano. Yes, number 11, Pineda. Esteban on the left. 15 on the shot clock. And there's a whistle. At a foul, jersey number 2. 7. First personal foul, first team foul. Okay, good. Shot right over again. Rebound. It's the Pineda. Duenas long 2. Okay. Rebound. Jersey number 28. Harabata. Drive. There's a fancy bell. And jersey number 28. First personal foul. 17 bell. Yes, and this city. Kick out, Esteban. Nice pass, malakas. Rebound. In and out. Rebound, Mr. Lopez. Great pass. Mr. Arbata, number 28. Ang kintangan. Pull up Jay. Long drain of it. Rebound, Duenas. Nagawan sa Pulpo. Best pass. Number 29 is Esteban. Looking for the receiver. Pineda. Pull up Jay. In and out. Lopez sa bintana. Power rebound. And there's a whistle on number 11, Mr. Pineda. Isi lang. Wala papasok. Coach lang.
Ref. Wala ba?
White ball, hawak na ni Lopez. Regular ball ni Pineda. Number 1, Lopez. Pass to jersey number 27. Pass sa kalaban at ang baka nakatapak sa labas. Okay, Carabata. Number 27, Flores. Number 10, Sid Pass. Lopez. Pass up and under. No good. Rebound at number 7. Number 10, Mr. Laksina Mitan. Release yung bola magbababa ngayon para sa team of Black. Bigay pass number 1, Nuevo. Looking for the receiver, Naimped. He will want to defense up with number 10. Bounce pass. It's James Wong. Big ball. 14 on the shot clock. 14 second shot clock. Laksina, tingnan natin ang lamang play. Pasa, Dwayne Nesta, big man. No good. Offensive rebound against the easy basket. Number 27. As a number 27, Mr. Flores. Pass number 28. To number 10. To number 26. Double team. 12 second shot clock. Boom, boom, with big lock. No good. Rebound. Flores. Rip over. Balik yan kay number 26. Kick that pass. Wide open from downtown. Wala pa rin. And there's a double bell. Dahil tamag. Goes bell run. Jersey number 1, Mr. Lopez. Jersey number 10, Mr. Laksina. Parehas first personal foul. 17 ball pa lang ang block. Warning or penalty ang Infosys. Dalawa pa lang. Penalty, oh. Yes, number. Violation. That's number 28. Arabata, Flores, sidestep, teardrop, Logan, rebound, Laksina, fast break play, jersey number 7, Miranda Pumula, press on Laksina, Lazarin, up there is a rebound, over ng Malabangan, Mr. Flores, the breakaway, the number 10, Rob Maza, with the Laksina. In down, kick out. 16 second shot clock, Harabata, no good. Rebound, a massive rebound, Parang over Mr. Lopez. 10 second shot clock, up and under, and there's a whistle on jersey number 6, Mr. Duenas. 7th personal foul, 30 foul. Substitution. Flores out, dalawang Flores. That's number 1, Tataleo. Miranda on the left corner. 15 on the shot clock. Naimped na nawala. Pasa sa ilalim, intercepted. Kita ng Nuevo, Lazarin. Wala. Rebound number 7, Bondo Kapitan. Naging pass sa jersey number 28. Carabata atake. Royal Lazarin, Gilbert Hill. Warrior 2, turn 4, 8 more later. Here's number 1, Mr. Nuevo. Wala silang nalang. 15 seconds. Pass, Duenas. Open wires, malakas. Rebound, Bondo, pass. Mr. Ornamental, Paborito. Awa, wala. Power rebound by Esteban. Right back, passengers in number 7, Mr. Fernando will cross over field. Here comes Miranda. Pass to Nuevo, sidestep, 6 up. Teardrop, wala pa rin. Laksina sa ilalim is good. Pag-dead ball. Nakaindihan tayo. Bota pa rin. 3 minutes and 40. Stop and bars of rain. No good. Lopez got the presto. 12-second shot clock. Number 26 now. 10 on the shot clock. Screen. Side step. Kick out. Pump up. Long two. Look at. Ethan Horta. Long two again is good. Yes. Nagmamadala. Jersey number 17. Horta. Floater shot. Good for two. Three minutes and 30 seconds in the 10-point lead. Pass number 13, Mirata Logan. Even number 14, pass. It is Karamata. Pass. Morta Paborito.
Kasi kung yung laban ngayon ni Tabon ba po? EBM, open.
2 minutes and 40, number 11. Pineda pa rin. Pineda pass. Laksamata. Drive. Bounce pass. Rebound. And there's a whistle kanino rin. Is returned a 7th personal foul and a warning for penalty.
Si Vera, may kalaban. Kaya nga, JGS, talagang kaya mo rin mamiyaro, may nalarete.
No fouls to give Pareas. Inbound number 17, Mr. Porta.
Kamash dareta ba, PJ?
Porta, swing and pass. Sarabanda sa laman. 16 on the shot clock. Pineda. 47 shot clock.
Layos lang.
Sarabanda.
Apat na
10
layos.
seconds. Nakawala sa gitna. Nabitawan. Recover and bounce. And it's a natural. 2 minutes and 8 on the game clock. Inbound.
Alas taas na ba?
Pineda now. Pass number 10. Next shot in 2 minutes.
Alas 8, maya.
Pass from number 13, Mr. Berrata. Laksina. Aatake. Akansak. Nakawala. No basket, but there's a whistle. Wisdom rep. Counters in number 14. Substitution. 7 personal foul penalty.
Nangyayari din dyan. Quarter, alala pa ang score.
Ready jumpers. South Ryan. No good. Ayaw na pumasok. And there's a whistle. Technical. Penalty. Penalty. Sa'yo pa rin. Penalty press. South Ryan. Good. 40-37 inbound. 150. Pass to the Maramata. Number 17 is Morta. 60 on the shot clock. Pass for Rabato in the middle. Morta now. Drive. 10 seconds. Around 9 on the shot clock. Lubiano. Pass. Sarabata. 6 on the shot clock. Long three. No good. Around. Guard ball tayo. Okay, inbound. 1
Ay, PPL, penalty.
Number 4, Orden. Yes, Berata, Orbe now, sweet pass to Pineda. Laksina, Laksamana, spin, go! And there's a whistle, Roosevelt. There's in number 7. Third personal foul, penalty pa rin. There's Reskin. Sound right. No good. Rebound. Remoto play. Arabata. Pass. Number 14. Morta Laundry. No good. Offensive rebound. That is a couple. 53 seconds game clock. Yes, number 11. Pineda. Pump and bars and Ray. Wala pa rin. 14 on the shot clock. Laksamana, Pump and fires. Hit for 2. Pass. Pass to number 20. Arabata Quintana. 18 on the shot clock. 15 on the shot clock. Arabata isolation. Otra Berata. 10 second shot clock. Drive. Pump, fires, and a whistle, penalty. Foul jersey number 10, second personal foul penalty.
Kaya pa hindi, ano ba yung opening na rin eh. Hindi mo meron eh.
20 jumpers.
Hindi, rin yan. Kaya pindeta na. Pura ito sa
Sound right, wala pa rin. Rebound, number 15, shot clock is 15 seconds.
Wala ka.
Samana, pass to number 11, Pineda, 10 seconds, Pump, makes it in. Oh, that's it, but there's a whistle, and a foul to jersey number 5-4, warning for the runway, 4 fouls and a penalty.
Tatas para lang ang pulit eh. Ha? May kasalanan ang pulit.
Ready jumpers, 7.9 seconds, wait for the buzzer. Sound right now here, one dot, 6 seconds. Morta, 5 seconds, hit clock. Wait for the buzzer, 2 seconds. Long 2, no good.
Pesamento.
Grabe. Nadyo ka na?
Hindi sa mga bidang na.
Mamulay ka dito, ang babae.
Babangwa ko ito eh.
Joel na po ikaw.
Five dash number 24, Delo Rosario. 8 Gabber number 29. Pass to
Siyempre
Delo
ba,
Rosario.
pupil niya, awari magsigla.
15 on the shot clock. Sword. Gomez, good guy.
Lakas ng tayo, Corin.
Sa mas na dapat tabab eh. Sa mas
Pass to
dapat.
Open.
Wala na ba may kwenta?
15 on the shot clock.
Eh wala.
Sina and a holding foul number 26.
Dapat ka rin yan eh.
First personal foul, first team foul. Indown. Pass number 7.
Pagawan ka na ba?
Pass to Orbe, launches the three. Good for three. You got it.
Tingnan mo ang gabi.
50-44, babasahin.
Kaya pa ito na.
Tinagal na yung pagawad, diba? Kung may sabot.
Ate nagalitan.
15 seconds.
Sabot yun.
Paisibo tayo.
Mga duwa na pa
10
yan.
seconds shot clock. 10 seconds shot clock. 8 seconds shot clock. Pagarigan. Launches a three. Aggressive rebound. 12 seconds shot clock. Kick out. Fake. Drive. Orbit now. Fast break play. Laksamana. Easy layup. 54-4. Baba sa apat. Dari Rosario. That's number 26. 15 seconds shot clock.
100% chance.
Lopez. Drive.
90 lang.
Look at rebound. 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 Malapit na Rosario. Pass number 2. 3 seconds shot clock. Pagalitan. Drive. Long two. Look at rebound ng Sina. Kailangan fast break play. Nagsama na naman. Number 2. Requested time. Castro Alvarado. Pinchas. Torres. Lopez launches. No good. Torres and a rebound. But again, we got Sina against the whistle. And a foul in jersey number 10. First one on you, 17 foul. Even pass to number 11 Pineda. Fifteen on the shot clock. Orden. Drive. Drop pass. Nagapasa. Back to back to back. Heads up. Dalawang Samana. 50 all. Get lang na tayo. Number 27. Flores to Flores. Flores to Flores. 12 on the shot clock. Flores to Lopez. Extra pass. Akapana. Maliit ng Eagle. Pass number 11 Pineda. Ayusin mo tayo 16 on the shot clock. Pass it down to Lopez. Pineda. 14 second shot clock. Miranda. Laksamana. 10 seconds. Taksina sa ilalim. Minama. Tiniluhan na rin. Very down down. Jersey number 7. Richard Flores. Sweet pass. And again. Drop and pass. Long two. Wala. Rebound. Open. Fast break play. Mr. Miranda. Chance sa kakalakangan. James River. 52-50. Gasser number 7. Flores. Payne. 14 seconds shot clock. Drive, double team. Pass in the middle. Flores now. Ball big again. Side step pass to Flores. Ang inabot na pangasa naman. Substitution. Ano ka na out? 26. 7 seconds shot clock.
Inareglado na ba sa sistema natin? Pwede na naman kayo.
Now completing na natin. 7 on the shot clock. Launches a three. Look at Lopez. Power rebound. Ilalabas ang bola. Taas ng tagad. Mr. Pineda on the move. Pagkakataon. Flores Ramos with Flores.
Wala akong takang kayo.
Time out. Okay, time out tayo. Sabihin mo time out. Portillo. Well blocked now. Pass number 15. And it is jersey number 10, Mr. Flores. Dalawa. Pass, nagsama na nicely. Napaganda pa lang sila nakakuha ng pwesto. Papiso-piso wala. Rebound. Mr. Miranda, balik sa 14. Orbe, atake na basket. Ganda pasa! Good for two. Balik ang kalamangan sa tinablangin ng sa Mr. Tenela. Pwede siyang bola magre-reset ko siyang laksina. Lumipad. Bitin. Napaganda na naman. Iniluwa na rin. Jersey number 11. Tenela. Nagsama na pa. Kick out. Mr. Orbe. 10 seconds shot clock pa yan. On the pass sa laksina. And it's out of bounds. And that's a white ball. Okay, dalawa lang ang kalabangan. Here's number 10 from Flores. Number 27. Flores setting up wide. Pass. Number 17, Morla. 14 seconds to shoot. Flores number 10. Sa gitna. Nakawala pero wala. Okay. Pass. Tulak sa mana. Pass free play. Drive and kick out. Miranda. Hinintay ang teammates. 16 on the shot clock. Laksama again. Pass sa gitna. Laksina, Malalim, quarter to 30. Pass number 17, Morta. Arabata, pinanibali sa ere. Nakakuha ng puwesto. There is their Morta. Alright, Victor all. Then lang tayo. Here's your update lang sa mana. Second shot clock. Laksama ng isolation. 12-second shot clock. Laksama na pa rin. 10 seconds. Cross, drive. And it's a whistle. And warning off. There's number 2, 7, substitution. Laksina out. 7 personal foul. Warning for penalty. Ang white. Pass to Miranda. Pineda. Orbe. 12 seconds. 10 seconds shot clock. Screen. 7 seconds. Kick out. Launches a burn away. Rebound number 10. Torres. And it's out of bounds. Alright, deadlock pa rin tayo. Inbound tayo na only within 14 seconds shot clock. Pass. Orbe. Pay. And there's a single. 11-second shot clock pa. 11 on the shot clock. Pasa ulit number 15. Extra pass to Duenas Malalim. Balik sa 14 ato sa rebound. Nakakuha ng pwesto. 56-54. Balik sa dalawa kalamangan eh. Number 10, Mr. Flores. Sweet pass. Arabana. Stop their bars on the ring. Point ulit. Duenas Malalim rebound. Nagsama na. Ang tatawid. Double team. Pass number 7, Miranda. Pass to Duenas. 3 minutes and 5. Or the longer. Ring ulit. Arabana ang kitangan. Here comes number 28. Zigzag. Sidestep. Lizard. Good for two. Wala pa. Pass number 7. Lizard Miranda. 2 minutes and 40 on the deep clock. Miranda to number 15 ng Samana. 12-second shot clock. 10-second shot clock. Duenas sa gitna. Pasa. Orbe. 7 on the shot clock. Miranda. Second attempt. Short. Rebound. Orbe. Third attempt. Ball fake long. And 11 on the shot clock. Speed movement. Shot pass. And cha-cha substitution. Sabra. Number 4 out. Orbe. Pass number 10, Mr. Flores. Balik din number 27, Mr. Flores. Number 17, Morta. 16 on the shot clock. Orbe. Drive. Kick out. Ganda pasa! How the pass? Number 1, Mr. Flores. That was action. Hindi na kalaman ang score. Pass to Mr. Tanuevo. Sweet pass to Laksamana. 14 on the shot clock. Last 2 minutes. Easy na.
Second motion. 27 na. 27. Dapat UFD kan ito.
Ali, 10, back 10. Sasaupay ng kay.
Okay na eh, 10.
Ali, yung Kenny. Mapititan number 10 na lang. Hindi ko na number 10 Kenny.
Ball possession.
Tingin natin dito. Wait lang. May advice.
Ayun na yung ditak back. Hindi na yung ditak.
Oo, kakanya lang. Kailangan na magpaliwanag ka rin.
On 1 minute and 48 seconds.
Kasi pang ano mo, may kasamang tulak eh. Hindi, di ba nung
Siwan lang yun.
nakita namin ko. Sa barangay nila na magpaliwanag mga.
On minute 7. 12 second shot clock. Harabato. 10 on the shot clock. 8 second shot clock. Morta, Pato, Rito, Gabato! Yes, Indian tayo. Pass number 6, Mr. Duenas. Muting panasyon doon, Laksina na Haselman. At tatawin sa team ng Damar. 14 on the shot clock. Pass number 1, Tamero. 10 second shot clock. Laksina, 8 seconds to shoot. Right corner. 5 second shot clock. Miranda. 3 second shot clock. Tamero with the ball fake drive. Teardrop shot. Wala rebound. Pass again. Miranda bintangan. Pull up Jay. Basket is good. Brings the 158. Babasa na to. 1 minute 7 sa ating game clock. Here's in number 28. Para kami tayo. Basa sa kanan. Morta ulit. 14 on the shot clock. 10. Pass to Timmy. 10 second shot clock. Arabata on the middle. And there's a whistle. Eight seconds. Long break. No good. Rebound number 10. 45 seconds. Game clock. Pass. Sa ilalim. Ay rebound. And here's the one ball. 39 seconds. Up wala. Pass to Sigit. There's number 10. Isang doon sa tatawin. Okay, pass to sa Lopez. Nasa naman. Tanmero. Nasakta na. Sidestep. There's a whistle. That's a good foul. And there's the run. Mr. Lopez. 7 personal penalty points up.
Pare. Pwedeng kung sa tangay tala yung balo. Na, wala yung game ka no. Ano, injury time out na rin mo. Wala yung game ka no. Sabi mas pag-ibig sa laban nito.
Now drawing. No good. Rebound, and it's a 1 ball. Ayun. First team, 17 ball pa lang sila. 17 ball pa lang ang start. Okay, here's number 28. Watch number 11, Pineda whistle. Third personal foul, third team foul pa lang ang start.
Ang level, Dora na.
Wala pa, third team foul. Ano nila?